Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of applaud. Show approval or praise by clapping. For example, the crowd whistled and applauded. American pronunciation. Applaud. Applaud. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Applaud. Say. Applaud. Applaud means show approval or praise by clapping. Applaud. Applaud. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. They're shouting and applauding whatever's on. Now, repeat after me. They're shouting and applauding whatever's on. The second practice. As the crowd applauds, you can't help rooting for him, too. Now, repeat after me. As the crowd applauds, you can't help rooting for him, too.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.